fish oil is not just a supplement, it's a powerhouse of goodness for our bodies. In fact, it has not 1, not 5, but 20 incredible health benefits that we'll reveal to you today. So, let's dive in. Benefit number 1, fish oil is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, which support brain health and can improve cognitive function. Benefit number 2, it can also help reduce inflammation in the body, making it beneficial for those with conditions like arthritis. Benefit number 3, fish oil has been shown to lower triglyceride levels, thus reducing the risk of heart disease. Benefit number 4, it can also lower blood pressure, promoting better cardiovascular health. Benefit number 5, fish oil can improve eye health and protect against age-related macular degeneration. Benefit number 6, it has been found to have mood-boosting properties and can help alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety. Benefit number 7, fish oil can improve joint health by reducing stiffness and promoting flexibility. Benefit number 8, it has been shown to enhance skin health by improving hydration and reducing the risk of acne. Benefit number 9, fish oil is a natural anti-inflammatory, which can help soothe symptoms of asthma. Benefit number 10, it can improve bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Benefit number 11, fish oil can support a healthy pregnancy by reducing the risk of preterm labor and promoting the healthy development of the baby's brain. Benefit number 12, it can boost immune function and help fight off infections. Benefit number 13, fish oil can improve liver function and reduce the risk of fatty liver disease. Benefit number 14, it has been shown to reduce symptoms of ADHD in children. Benefit number 15, fish oil can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for those with diabetes. Benefit number 16, it can improve lung function and reduce the risk of respiratory diseases like asthma and COPD. Benefit number 17, fish oil can promote weight loss by boosting metabolism and reducing appetite. Benefit number 18, it can improve sleep quality and reduce the risk of insomnia. Benefit number 19, fish oil has been shown to protect against age-related cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. And finally, benefit number 20, fish oil can support a healthy, glowing complexion by reducing the signs of aging and promoting skin elasticity. Wow! Can you believe all the amazing benefits fish oil has to offer? Incorporating fish oil into your daily routine can truly unlock the power of good health. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you found it informative. If you enjoyed learning about the surprising health benefits of fish oil, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Stay healthy,